how nuanced is this sort of idea of disinformation within the purview of elections?
I think I am finally. So here's the thing. I have been doing this work for 20 years. I literally started graduate school on 9/11 to do this stuff.
Wow.
My little Manhattan project, the Misfit Oppenheimers, we built one of the first multi-campus disinformation fighting systems back in 2005. And the reason we were so early is that we were using comedians as the barometer and the canary in the coal mine to figure out when reality tips and disinformation becomes the new paradigm of reality. So, like in 2005, Jon Stewart was the most trusted name in news.
Mm.
So, like, people forget how weird moments like that are. So, when you're talking about today's election, the fact that Joe Rogan played such a huge part of it surprises us zero. But you have to understand that we're not in the era anymore of like, let's argue about Mitt Romney about a binder full of whatever, or did this politician slightly exaggerate the truth? Everyone's living in two different worlds. And since me and my teams work on the left and right, and I crossed the filter bubble in 2018 and became a echo chamber diversity hire at a MAGA adjacent Bible college to see if we could get everyone to bring reality back together. So I left the wokest school in America and then went there and then got those folks to talk to each other about reality and disinformation. But what we knew this summer is that it's not a cliche anymore to say that we're living in two different worlds. We're literally living in two different worlds. There are two different scientific paradigms. There are two different accounts of the last 5 years of American history. There are, I mean, it's just,
Can I push back on that?